Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Government is actually speaking about doubling the farmers' income. For that only government is doing lot more things. Okay, in such a way the Odisha government come with a measure called small farmer large field. Actually the small farmer large field concept is started in the Vietnam. Okay, now India also following it. Small farmer large field. Okay, see why this statement, what this small farmer large field is going to do. Actually India there is a people, farmers are more than 80% are small and marginal farmers. Okay, so they have the land less than 2 hectares. Okay, so if the scenario is like that, means they have to spend a lot more field work related to that. Okay, so only there is a huge chunk of population that rests with the farming activities only. Okay, because there is a lesser infuse of the mechanization happened in the agriculture. Okay, because if you have a huge land, consider you have a land holding of 100 hectares, 200 hectares, 500 hectares, means you will go for mechanization. Okay, you have a holding of less than 1 hectare, means whether you will go for a mechanization, whether you will use any instruments or tools to control a pest, or else you will sow a seeds with machines. No, you won't do that, because you have to spend lot more towards the machines. Okay, but if you have a land holding of larger, means you definitely go with the mechanization. Okay, so to overcome the issue of the farmers, it is actually the small farmer large field is about the concept of pooling the farmers and pooling their land and infusing the mechanization concept into the agriculture. By that they are trying to just pull out the most of the population from the agriculture and pushing them towards the industrial sector. Okay, so in same way they are balancing the agriculture growth, and also they are going to balance the industrial growth. For that only they are doing this concept called small farmer large field. Okay, to infuse the mechanization we need a huge land, but Indian farmers are small and marginal farmers. To overcome their concern, they came with a new concept is called as this small farmer large field. Okay, actually this is the best concept to overcome the population that is rest with rural India. Okay.